Hey, what is up, guys? Last176 here. Oh, I keep doing that. FNAF fanboy here. I'm used to saying that. Anyway, today I'm gonna try to do two birds with one stone trick. See, we got Optimus Prime from Rise of the Darkspark, from Robots in Disguise, not Rise of the Darkspark. Hold up. Hello, bye-bye, man. Okay. And then we got Ultra Magnus from Transformers Prime over there. If you're wondering, I have the Diamond Minecart done. Two birds with one stone. Who thinks I'm going to be able to get this? One shot! Darn it. Hold up. I'm going to reload my gun, and I'll see you guys when I'm done. As you can see. Oh, I need to fix some holes. Ah! How do you get the camera? There. Dang it! As you can see, I moved Optimus Prime a little closer. Ultra Magnus is still in the same spot, but in a really weird pose. No clue why. Anyway. I'm gonna close my eyes. Watch. I didn't hit anyone. Alright. Yeah. You know what? I got a better idea. Come up a bit. Alright, so my challenge is for me to hit Optimus, so it'll knock Ultra Magnus off this. Which, if you guys don't know what this is the Batcave. Anyway. Let me see if I can get this, and bah! Yes! Finally! Two birds and one stone in 2 minutes. Yeah, it sucks. I have no clue how many times I failed. I'm gonna have a counter up at top, hopefully. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and tell me in the comments that you subscribed. And yeah, I will indeed try to reply back, but I can't promise that I will. Okay, guys? So, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you all next time. See ya!